I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands.
Instantly edit your stunning Dexsoft assets directly with UModelerX. Experience the freedom of real-time modeling inside Unity. No external tools needed. Speed up your creativity with UModeler's duplicate feature. You can overlap chairs to create a brand new shape, iterate faster, and design smarter. Achieve perfect symmetry and precision with the mirror tool. Edit one side and see instant reflections. Maximize efficiency and accuracy.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Use HSL Color Control to instantly adjust tones and atmosphere. A few clicks can transform the entire mood of your scene. The linear array feature automates precise, repetitive placements. Create perfectly spaced, consistent layouts in seconds. Shape freely with FFD, free Form Deformation. Make smooth adjustments or broad transformations, natural, artistic control at your fingertips. Even prefab objects can be fully edited with just one UModelerize action. All instances update automatically, no repetitive edits, no extra work. Let's add detail inside the teapot. With UModeler's UV editor, you can instantly generate and map UVs, even on objects that never had them before. Freely control each asset's pivot point for precise adjustments. Detach, reposition, and reorient lighting with just a few clicks. Let's bring the gramophone to life with some motion and detail. UModeler's rigging system is incredibly simple. Just add bones, set the movement strength with weights, and add a few animation keyframes. You can easily create a beautiful gramophone that moves and plays music. Dexsoft Games' realistic assets meet UModelerX's powerful modeling tools to deliver the ultimate combination of visual quality and creative control. Thank you for watching.